Hello! In today's video, we'll learn the at family. The letters A and T together says at. It's the word at. A makes the A sound and T makes the T sound. So let's blend these two sounds together. At, at, at. Let's read the at family words. S, at, sat. K, at, cat. F, at, fat. P, at, pat. R, at, rat. At, mat. Great job, kids! Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in another video. I love you.